I would like to cite the first human calculator was an Indian. She made the Guinness record in 1980. Her name is Shakuntala Devi, a woman.
It's an exciting day for us. We walked around campus talking about what we do as a company, what our history has been, where we're contributing in society, what the role of children is in thinking about science, technology, engineering, math as a future option. And they will learn about what is microscopy, what things are involved in making microscopes work. Should we be thinking about photons, electrons, X-rays? All of these things come within the gamut of microscopy. And then they also get a chance to pick samples, a little flower, a little pebble, some insect, and they get to bring it to one of 3 microscopes over here, put it on there and play. And play is the best way to learn.
We hosted 25 young girls, young females, and being a female myself in the community, it was great. We had like a whole day long session with them. And it was really nice to understand how exactly these people are grasping science, what their aspirations are, and how ZEISS can actually help them fit into this scientific world and grow that scientific mind further. They would be on their feet throughout the workshop, and they would get a chance to understand exactly these are not the people you have to be scared about. These are the people you can talk, interact, understand how it's going around. We made it very interactive. So it wasn't just a normal presentation. We had toffees, we had some games, we had some quizzes, we had some questions so that they would be on it.
Because ZEISS is a pioneer when it comes to the technology development, we have a little bit of a doubt factor whether we will be able to tailor down our technology explanation to kids coming from schools. But during the initial interaction with the students, a couple of questions which I asked, that's where I realized age is no barrier. Maybe I can give an example of Sir Isaac Newton, who brought in the laws of motion, laws of gravity. He brought in integral and differential calculus. He did this all by the time he turned 26. So a lot of things can be achieved at the young age. And when we start looking at girls and in particular women, I think I would like to cite the first human calculator was an Indian. She made the Guinness record in 1980. Her name is Shakuntala Devi, a woman. Neither age nor gender is a barrier for science, especially in Indian context, in particular female kids who have tremendous amount of potential to contribute to science.
Any kind of science education enterprise should involve playtime. Hands-on, you learn as you play. Aspect of imparting knowledge is what I find really fun and invigorating.